Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about how the Vanguard Cash Plus account compares with regular Vanguard services. When looking at managing your wealth, understanding the differences between specialized cash features and standard brokerage offerings is crucial for optimizing your overall financial strategy. Regular Vanguard services primarily center around standard brokerage accounts designed for long-term investing, retirement planning, and holding individual securities, mutual funds, or exchange-traded funds. These core brokerage accounts provide access to the broader market, letting you trade equities, bonds, and various fund portfolios, but they do not function as standalone cash management tools with direct bank-like deposit capabilities. In contrast, the Vanguard Cash Plus account is specifically built as a savings account alternative and cash management tool. It bridges the gap between traditional banking and investing by allowing you to keep your short-term cash right alongside your long-term portfolio. One of the main structural differences lies in insurance coverage and liquidity features. Regular brokerage accounts and the assets held within them are protected by the Securities Investor Protection Corporation, which guards against the loss of cash and securities if a brokerage firm fails, up to specific limits. However, cash held directly in standard brokerage features or money market funds operates differently under market conditions. On the other hand, the Cash Plus account utilizes a bank sweep program that routes eligible cash balances to network partner banks, making those funds eligible for Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation insurance. This stick protection extends significantly higher than standard limits through multiple program banks, offering robust security for individual or joint account holders who want bank-level safety. Another major point of comparison is everyday usability and accessibility. Standard Vanguard brokerage services require you to manually settle trades, transfer funds back to an external bank, or utilize specific money market funds to handle liquidity, which can take additional business days to clear for external spending. The Cash Plus account is engineered for functional cash flow. It provides routing and account numbers, allowing you to set up direct deposits from your employer, deposit mobile checks, pay bills, and connect smoothly with external payment platforms like PayPal and Venmo. Furthermore, the account features a competitive annual percentage yield through its bank sweep mechanism, alongside options to allocate capital into select Vanguard money market funds if you choose to diversify your short-term holdings. While standard Vanguard services focus on long-term capital growth and active market participation, the Cash Plus account targets the optimization of liquid emergency funds and daily capital management without requiring you to leave the Vanguard ecosystem. By utilizing both options strategically, investors can maintain their core equity and bond portfolios while ensuring their short-term liquid reserves generate competitive yields under strong protective insurance frameworks. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.